Welcome everybody to ChessBrain. Let's start by covering the basics. Start by trying to find the best moves for both sides until you feel like the position has become clear. Afterwards, simply click Submit. This will open up the game menu where you're able to see all of the moves played in the game between the two grandmasters. Of course, they are all thoroughly commentated, in which you'll be able to see what the moves were and why they were played. There are a ton of comments and alternative variations in each game, so there's a lot of informational value that you can get from each and every single game. Of course, you can reset the board to the starting position of the study, and you can flip the board as many times as you want to accommodate your needs. You can also view your own user moves, which will represent the moves that you made in the puzzle. That way, you'll be able to compare them with the moves made by the grandmasters. Once you're done studying, simply click Next Game, and you'll be thrown into the next study where you can repeat the process and improve your chess. Additionally, premium users can use the search feature, where they can search for games based on difficulty or category. If that's not enough, users can also search for specific players or events and study those specific games. We hope you all enjoy using ChessBrain, and I look forward to seeing you all improve. Thank you.